Alright, as you can see, we're here at the trailhead. So this is the northern part of Conestee, and this is part of the Swamp Rabbit Trail. So, and they built some mountain biking trails up here, so we're going to ride that today. So down here is the main part of Conestee. This is where we rode a couple of times in previous videos. So now we're parked here, and we're going to ride. Is that considered yellow or orange? Orange. I think it's orange. So that's a 3-mile loop. So we're going to check that out and hopefully not die in the heat because it's 95 and that's before the heat index. So we'll just check it out. I think it ends at 85.
Okay, so I'm thinking we can take that. I couldn't figure out really how long it was, but take that up and then take the orange trail back down. You know what I mean?
Well, see, I think the elevation, you would be climbing on the off-road.
Okay, well, let's do it the other way.
Yeah.
Whatever, yeah.
But I don't know because somebody had said that it was the direction changed, so it wasn't like it was either you went this way
right,
on.
It depends on the time of the time of the week you go or something like that. Like.
So we'll just see what it says, but okay. I figure we'll go down the dirt trail.
That's fine. They usually will say like odd days one way, even days another way, or something like that.
Okay.
That way it never has to change. It just goes by the whatever the calendar days are.
And we start with a hill.
I know. I saw that. I was like, oh, I hope this is not a sign of things to come.
Alright, so I guess we're just stuck with the helmet cam because my other GoPro is currently not working.
Well, I get.
Oh, that's. Alright, so this is the mountain bike path. So today, what is today, the 16th?
The 22nd.
That's still an even day though.
Yeah. We're going this way.
We're going that way. It'd be fun.
Let's go. Just don't like too much off. We'll hop back off in a little bit. No, come on.
Uh-oh. No. Okay. Woohoo! Oh, I gotta come back here and ride this. Hey, there it goes. Now we got perspective too.
We're coming, we're coming.
Got it?
Yeah. And that's what I was telling Steph. I'm like, yeah, he really wants to go ride in Georgia. I'm like, what? I said, you know how she gets. She gets into something and she don't care how long it takes to get there. She wants to go do it. She's finding a new trail. You sound like you're having fun now. Are you? No. No. You're having a terrible time? Yeah. Oh, there's a squirrel.
Yeah. Oh, jeez. Okay, what causes a rear tire to spin? I feel like I'm doing better today picking my line. That's a big effort. Well, I rode kind of through it. Are we getting on the main path?
You okay with that?
Yeah. Oh, no, don't go in the trees. Don't go in the trees. Okay. Mile 40. Oh no. I need a downshift.
Are you filming on the thing on your head or
Yeah.
the bike?
Both?
So everybody can see what you're looking at.
Yep. So they can see
Blue collar.
they can see you speeding down the trail.
Is there also edited video to
Oh, look, it's crosses here again. You want to get back on the trail? No. Will you get back on it the next time? All right.
Is it closed or is it just like walk your bikes? Because in Conestee, you know, they make you.
alternate parking?
Because I wonder if it's just that one. We can walk the bikes across the boardwalk and just check it out.
Let's walk them across. Oh.
Maybe this is why they were having it, warning. It's just where this tree fell.
The tree fell, yeah. And then I wonder if...
Oh, that's Tree Frog Trail. Stay on one.
Because that don't even show on the map.
Oh, this is where it says.
Well, I do see the tires. So at least this boardwalk is somewhat patched, but you can see the gap there. Ooh, I like this.
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, I guess this is. We're gonna end up at.
We were riding like parallel to 385 at one point.
Yeah.
Own little like spur offshoot.
Yeah.
So then I thought maybe this would connect to like the...
We'll just see where we end up.
I know.
Because if it looks like a decent neighborhood, we'll just go ahead and ride around it and see if we can find the other end of Swamp Rabbit.
Right. Right at the other end.
Yeah. I don't know. I mean, it only took me 16 minutes, so it wasn't bad. Oh, this is nice. Woo! this is Malden Road.
Let's see where this goes. Go ahead, stay on the trail.
Yeah, that's 85 right there. We're almost at 85, and then like the green line stops. So I don't know if you would take this like Parkins Mill to Cleveland Extension, and then that goes into Cleveland Park.
Oh, I don't know. Well, let's go see.
Yeah.
I'm not good at having my... That's why there ain't no need for two of us to have it.
Yeah. So I guess this is it then, because that's a major 2-lane road.
I mean, I feel like those turns are too hard to see around.
Yeah.
I don't feel comfortable.
No, I don't want to do it either. Alright, so that's it for this section of Swamp Rabbit. So now we're going to go back. Oh, it's a stream gauge station. I'm not going to trespass, I'm just looking.
Look, right up there.
That's pretty cool. That's rolling. Man, it looks like there's a path over there, but there's nothing on the map. So I don't know what this is, but they're all over the ground right here.
God, it's hot.
It is. A tree. So I'm like, I'll get going really good and fast, or I feel like I'm going fast, and it's like, oh wait, I need a break. There's a tree. Because
Oh, that's right, there were two.
yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah.
so I guess, I don't know if it goes that way. It seems like...
What hurts?
A new one for me before I decided to have mine fixed. It almost seems like the... Oh gosh, I'm sorry.
Sorry about that.
That's okay.
Couple more coming.
Okay.
I'll get it over.
Sorry, we're getting out of your way.
Hey, how's it going?
It's good.
Good, how are you?
Good. Thank you.
You're welcome. Usually, like, they call out, like, hey, on your left.
Yeah. Need a break. You need a break?
Yeah.
And mine was half empty, so I sucked mine down on the way out here. And then used it to fill up, and of course some spilled on my arm.
Yeah.
So, you know, when I heard from you, I was like, okay, let me...
Does it say to dismount your bike?
Oh. I wasn't sure if we were doing this or not.
Yeah, I want to.
Thought we got
Oh, sorry guys.
Oh, you're good. Have a good one.
You too.
You ready to turn right, buddy?
No.
Okay, that's gonna be a short trip, Jonah.
I know. What did you think it was?
I hate this. And you're still riding. Grass is a little tall here to have a picnic, huh?
Yeah. Well, those tables look old.
Yeah.
Those are some good hills though. Just
Yeah.
kind of gives you a chance to practice your gearing down and stuff. Well, at least we've been in shade for most of it.
I know, that's why I was like, oh, this won't be too bad. Almost.
He is ready to be done. No. Good to go. Alright, so we're going to get back on the trail because I want to see the... How did I do that? Anyway, so yeah, we're going to get back on the trail, go back up and do the full mountain bike loop because that was really fun. And I really want to do the whole loop. So, let's hit it. I don't know if I'm ready, but we're gonna be ready. All right, let's go. Hopefully I haven't used up all my strength to do this loop. But I can always get off and walk. Woo! All right, let's hit the trail. Woo! Oh. I wish that big rock right there wasn't there because I feel like I'd be okay other than that. But I don't want to lose it. Alright, so this is where we got off the trail earlier. Get back on Swamp Rabbit. So I'm going to keep going straight. See what the rest of the trail holds. Oh. if y'all see this map, this elevation. So we just came down this, so with the blue dot there, so we got this climbing, a lot of climbing to do. I have a feeling I'm gonna be walking the bike a little. We'll give it a go. See how we do. So yeah, we got 2 miles of uphill to go. I don't know if I'm ready. Whew, I'm trying to mentally prepare. All right. Oh, good. Downhill. Woohoo. Whoa. 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 Oh crap. Oh crap. Steep, steep, steep. Go, go. Go, go. Go, go. Yeah, it is. Ay, ay, ay. Oh, it's a little observation deck thing. We'll walk over there and check that out just to get off the bike for a little bit. Just kicking my tail. Ow, that was a tree. Okay. Hey, I made it over the rocks. Okay, I'll have to walk. Oh, I'm feeling it. Whew. Good workout, good workout. Oh crap, crap. Oh god. How do I catch this? Okay. Here we go. What the fence is for? Alright. I'll push stop this hill now, alright. There's ants crawling around all over the place. You're welcome.
Thank you.
They make that seem so effortless. But honestly, I think I think I used up all my strength earlier going up those couple of big hills just on Swamp Rabbit. Oh, I got another one. Let's see if I can get off here. Ah. Hey.
There's some more behind me.
Okay.
It's a good ride.
Thank you, you too.
Hey there.
Hey.
Thanks. You got 2 more.
All right. They just zipping all down through here.
Hello.
Hey.
1 more.
All right.
Hey.
Hey.
Thanks.
Have a good ride.
You're gonna pass me probably.
I doubt it. Oh, well. If they only knew how slow I went. I'm slow. I think I'm about as slow at bike riding as I am hiking, backpacking. I mean, I like the idea of going fast, but then the fear of severe injury kind of is like, no, it probably wouldn't be a smart idea because my reflexes are not good. I don't think. Just doing it, just give myself some variety, just do something a little bit different. So I apologize if you guys are tuned into my channel and expecting all backpacking, all hiking, but I hate to say it, but I'm burnt out. I mean, I still enjoy hiking and backpacking, but just want to do something different. Plus two, I was really starting to have knee pain when biking or when hiking and stuff, so I just wanted to do this just to see if it would help strengthen and just give me a little more endurance. And plus two, I just really enjoy biking. So anyway, so that's why there's all the content with biking in the last few videos. Plus, I really want to challenge myself to be better, you know, like not give up. Because I gave up once before because we went up to DuPont and like I hit one hill and I couldn't even get up it. I was so frustrated. We just like went back to the car. So this time I really don't want to give up and be a quitter. I just want to figure out, you know, like how to do it and just enjoy it, you know. Like if I have to walk the bike up the hill, so what? Big deal. Like I can't walk up a hill. But anyway, so that's kind of the reasoning behind, some of the reasoning behind me doing more riding videos. Ooh, this is fun. Ooh, this is fun. I like this. Ooh. Ooh. Yeah. I'm expecting a ginormous hill anytime. Oh, tree. See, now, like, I was listening to those guys shift, and it's like they're constantly shifting. Like, how do you know what gear to be in and at what time and all that? Oh gosh, I'm gonna walk it. Okay. Speaking of walking up a hill, I know when we come out on the swamp road, we have to climb that hill. I may just walk. I ain't gonna lie. Okay, let me see if I can ride this. But I mean, like I say, if you guys, you know, see or hear me doing something, you know, like, I would love pointers to get better at this, so I don't look like such an idiot. Whew. Isn't that cute? You can do it! Can I? I don't know. What am I doing? What's that? Oh, the grass. Oh, yes. What's with the shoes? Oh, it's a shoe tree. There's shoes. There's shoes. Well, that's interesting. Whew. Oh, I think that was the crest there, hopefully. Until we get back on the swamp rabbit, and then we'll have to. Oh, what's that? Ow. Let's see. It's like an old TV or something. Yeah, that's creepy. Hopefully we should be past the worst of it. Maybe we can have a little fun. I mean, I've had fun, but I'm just struggling, especially on this side with the climbing. Oh, that's the trail. I was like, that looks like something. My goofy self. Woo! Oh, hit that root wrong. Okay. Woo! Yep, so we're back on the swamp rabbit. So let's keep the momentum. Get up this hill. We did it! Woo! Whew, that was a good workout. Alright, so that was fun. So we had 531 feet of elevation gain. I think it was 6.5 miles. So there's kind of the elevation profile. So you can definitely see it would be a lot easier going counterclockwise, which is on odd days. Because we're here on an even day, so that's why you had to go right and go around. So, but had fun, and we'll see y'all on the next one.